If your Sonos Play 5 isn't connecting, keeps dropping audio, or just won't respond inside the app, a factory reset is often the cleanest solution. Over time, save networks, app sync issues, or software conflicts can cause the speaker to behave unpredictably. When that happens, normal troubleshooting won't fully fix it because the problem is stored in the system itself. A factory reset clears everything: Wi Fi settings, accounts, and previous configurations, so the speaker can start fresh like it's brand new. The process is simple, but timing matters to trigger the reset correctly. Let's go through it step by step. Try these. 1. Unplug the speaker from the power source completely. Press and hold the play pause button on the device. 3. While holding the button, plug the speaker back into power. 4. Continue holding until the indicator light flashes and changes. 5. Release the button once the reset process begins. 6. Set up the speaker again using the Sonos app.